Hey there, this is Heidi from Create with Heidi, and today I'm going to show you how to make snowflake ornaments out of bubble-free mirror chrome vinyl. The two colors I will be using are wine red and camouflage olive. Here in front of me I have everything I need for this project. My vinyl, my red grid transfer tape, a standard tack cutting mat, and acrylic ornaments. In this pouch, I have the tools I need for this project, which are a scraper, weeding tweezers, and a weeding pen. I'm going to move my tools to the side so that I can get started with prepping my vinyl. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my rolls of vinyl. A tip I would like to share with you that I like to do is I remove the sticker with the name of the vinyl color on it and glue it to the inside of the vinyl. I do this so that if I run out or want to replace a color that I love, I can easily find out what the name of the color of that vinyl is. The next thing I'm going to do is cut my vinyl into pieces to the size that I need for this project. For this project, the acrylic ornaments are 3x3, so I'm cutting the vinyl to 3x3 pieces as well. Now that I have my two pieces of vinyl cut out, I'm taking off the clear plastic layer that goes on top of the vinyl. Now I'm going to use a piece of transfer tape that I had set aside from a previous project, and I'm going to trim it down to a size that will be easier to use when the time comes. I'm going to set those aside, and then I'm going to remove the clear plastic protector from the cutting mat and get my two pieces of vinyl onto the mat so that I can put it into my cutting machine. I don't know if you guys agree, but this is one of my favorite parts of the process. When you first take that vinyl out of the machine and you see your project start to come to life, it's really exciting. I know some people don't enjoy weeding, but I'm one of those people who does. Anyway, the weeding process for these snowflake ornaments is a pretty tedious process because there are a lot of little pieces and you have to work slowly and carefully, but it's very rewarding and they turn out beautifully in the end. Some more detail about these snowflake ornaments. They were designed in the program Procreate on the iPad with an iPad pencil. The snowflakes are made up of people's names, and they are the names of people who I plan to gift these snowflakes to. Okay, now that I am finished weeding the snowflakes, it's time to prep the ornament. I need to find the center of the ornament and put a dot with a Sharpie. There is a piece of film on it, so I'm not putting the dot directly on the ornament. The purpose in doing this is so that as I place the vinyl on the ornament, I can get it centered. It is important to take that film off the non-dot side so that when I put the vinyl on, it is adhering to the acrylic and not to that film. Now I'm using my transfer tape to pick up the vinyl so that I can put it on the ornament. I put it on while it was still on the mat, but now I'm going to pull it off the mat so I can flip it over and remove the vinyl backing from the vinyl by rolling it away so that it comes off easily and without much trouble. Now I'm lining it up in the center of the ornament very carefully, and then I'm using my scraper to transfer the vinyl onto the ornament. I'm going to peel off the transfer tape and then flip the ornament over and remove that piece of film so that I can have that clear acrylic to best show off the vinyl. And here they are, all done. The only thing left to do is decide what I want to use to hang them on the tree with. As I'm looking, the red seems to clash with the wine red vinyl, so I'm going to use the twine. I'm going to put this through the ornament, and then I'm going to add a wooden bead and then tie them off and hang them on the tree. Thank you so much for watching.